How to disable automatic volume lowering on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Over here, scroll down through the menu and select Sounds and Haptics. As you get there, scroll down to the bottom to Headphones section and select Headphone Safety. Here, you'll see Reduce Loud Audio is turned on, which is a feature that protects hearing by automatically limiting the maximum volume of headphone audio. Turn it off to disable automatic volume lowering. Now, your phone will no longer automatically lower loud sounds when you are using headphones, and you will be able to manually control the volume to any level you choose. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily disable automatic volume lowering on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.